Turning now to the coronavirus, Maryland hits a major milestone. The state reports the fewest new coronavirus cases for the first time in more than 11 weeks. A little more than 650 people are hospitalized. Maryland's taking another big step in the road to recovery, lifting even more restrictions. WJZ is live. Amy Kawada has more on what you can do and where. Amy.
Good morning, Max. Well, starting tonight at 5, malls, gyms, and casinos will all be allowed to reopen again in many areas of the state, with the exception of Baltimore City, where the recovery has been in baby steps.
Baltimore, we're still with you. You know, we're still a family, and we're going to get through this no matter what.
The owner of Creole Soul Food, one of the many restaurants in the Our House Food Hall, is happy to be back in business, with outdoor dining resuming here after a challenging past 3 months of being closed due to the COVID-19 pandemic.
Order for Steven.
And it's unfortunate. A lot of folks lost their jobs.
Baltimore's mayor is not yet allowing indoor dining, as neighboring counties have.
I do not think that things are going too slow at all. The safety concerns of our customers and our employees are first and foremost.
Planet Fitness in Towson is among the many gyms that can reopen today starting at 5 p.m. Some equipment will be off limits to give people space, and masks are required except when you are on the machines.
Make sure that it is evident and kind of in your face so that you have all the means to protect yourself and each other.
The state is also allowing casinos to open starting today.
We furloughed 96% of our team here for the last 3 months. So just from an employee, perspective, it's been very painful.
Preparations are underway at the Horseshoe in Baltimore, which will initially open only to loyalty cardholders at just 50% capacity with temperature checks. But the mayor has not yet given his approval.
Once they give us the green light, I need about 4 days to open the casino, and I'm ready for that.
And happening later today, Baltimore Mayor Jack Young is expected to announce the city's road to recovery, and he will address whether or not he thinks the city is ready to have any restrictions lifted. Live this morning, I'm Amy Kawada for WJZ.
Amy, thank you. Businesses reopening is good news for people out of work in Maryland. Fewer than 42,000 people filed for unemployment last week. The Labor Department says almost 94% of claims have been processed. Nationwide, 1.5 million filed for unemployment, a number slightly higher than expected. But the downward trend in claims since March goes on.